Hey you, do long road trips take a toll on you and the kids?
Our road trip roll-on recipe is perfect for on-the-go essential oil support. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll want to grab your recipe box and pull out your labels. And we'll grab spearmint and our home body essential oil blend.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab one of your roll-on bottles and either almond oil or coconut oil.
Both of those will work to dilute your essential oil. We'll use fractionated coconut oil. So we'll start by opening up our roll-on. And this roll-on top will just pop out. Add a funnel if you've got one. To our roll-on, we'll add 2 drops spearmint and 4 drops of home body essential oil blend. This recipe uses a 3% dilution rate. If you want to use this with kids, you'll want to use a lower dilution rate of 1% or 0.5%. So now that we've added our essential oils, we'll fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And put the lid on and shake to mix. Once it's well shaken, we'll add our label and it's ready to be used.
So for more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Ta-da!